Coupe Sports Car. A coupe sports car is the classic two-door performance machine with a fixed roof and a focus on balance, speed, and handling. These cars are usually lightweight, low to the ground, and built for driving enjoyment rather than practicality. They often have rear-wheel drive and powerful engines, making them popular for track days and spirited road driving. Convertible sports car. A convertible sports car offers open-air driving with a retractable soft or hard top. It delivers the same performance focus as a coupe, but adds the emotional appeal of wind and engine sound with the roof down. The trade-off is slightly more weight and less structural rigidity, but for many drivers, the experience outweighs the compromise. Roadster. A Roadster is typically a small, two-seat, lightweight sports car designed purely for driving pleasure. Unlike larger convertibles, Roadsters emphasize minimalism and agility. They often prioritize handling and balance over raw horsepower, making them favorites on twisty roads rather than straight-line races. Grand Tour, or GT. A Grand Tour blends high performance with long-distance comfort. These cars are usually more spacious and luxurious than traditional sports cars, often featuring powerful engines and refined interiors. They're built to travel fast across countries while keeping passengers comfortable. Supercar. A supercar represents the extreme end of performance, design, and engineering. These cars feature very high horsepower, advanced aerodynamics, and exotic styling. They're often produced in limited numbers and focus heavily on acceleration, top speed, and visual impact. Hypercar. A hypercar takes the supercar concept even further. It pushes boundaries with cutting-edge technology, hybrid systems, lightweight materials like carbon fiber, and extraordinary performance figures. Hypercars are typically rare, extremely expensive, and built to showcase what is technically possible. Muscle car. A muscle car focuses on straight-line speed powered by a large displacement engine, usually mounted in a relatively simple two-door body. While not always as agile as traditional sports cars, muscle cars deliver dramatic acceleration and a distinct engine sound that defines their character. Track-focused sports car. A track-focused sports car is engineered primarily for circuit performance. It often features stiffer suspension, aerodynamic enhancements, lightweight components, and minimal comfort features. These cars prioritize lap times and driving precision over everyday usability. Hot hatch. A hot hatch combines the practicality of a hatchback with performance upgrades such as a stronger engine, sport-tuned suspension, and aggressive styling. While it may not look like a traditional sports car, it delivers impressive speed and handling in a compact, practical package. Electric sports car. An electric sports car uses battery power and electric motors to deliver instant torque and rapid acceleration. Without a traditional engine, these cars offer a different driving feel, often quieter but extremely quick off the line. They represent the evolving future of high-performance vehicles.